Oli looks very comfortable and hits the ball well when it's straighter to him and towards the leg stump. The reason being his front foot is moving straight or slightly down leg side, so if the ball is fed there, he is in a good position to hit the ball.
Oh, which way did your hands go that time? They went across the ball, yeah? Okay, good lead, well done.
Oli's hands come through very straight, however he's not getting his foot to the line of the ball when they are outside off stump or even towards off stump. By not taking his foot to the ball, his head and eyes are a long way from the ball and he has to reach for the ball. As the video progresses, you see the balls Oli hits squirting off the back face towards point. This is because he is reaching for the ball and changing the angle of his bat.
Okay, Oli, your feet were much better then. Good effort. Alright, it's a good length ball. So what do we do to a good length ball? Okay, we can leave it alone if you want. It's a good ball. Okay, ready? And again, just that foot. Oh, okay, so show me where that landed. Okay, you're out by about a metre. Alright, so again, are we watching the ball as well as we could be? No. Probably not. Okay, so let's try and make things as easy as possible for us. Yeah, it did. Your foot didn't get there. No.
Areas for development. Oli needs to wait for longer before moving and then push his head towards the line of the ball. When he gets his foot in the correct place, he hits the ball very easily and very cleanly.
Oh, your hands went that way again. Yeah? Use all of your bat, Oli. Okay. Why'd you edge that, do you think?
Didn't step out now.
Yeah, your foot went over towards leg side. Okay? How's your back foot coming along there, Solly? It's moving a lot, isn't it? All the balls. Okay, well played. Good hands that time, Oli. Sure. Still need to work on getting that front foot to the line a bit more.
Oli should try not to let his right hip rotate too far around, as this will turn his shoulders towards leg side, therefore closing his bat face.
Oh, one ball. Smooth that one, that's it. That's alright, smooth that one. That's right, you've moved it now. I was just about to say, you moved that ball. But you've moved it. Oh, your foot. Work on your foot. Three more, Oli. Three more. Last one. Good shot to finish.